In order to do that, turn to the side your DJI action camera, and as you can see, there is the cover of the battery. Simply push up the cover. We heard the click sound. That means the cover opens. And as you can see, there is the battery strap. Simply grab the battery strap and pull it out. Now, as you can see, inside the battery slot, there is 5 pins. And in order to align our battery with these pins inside the battery slot, simply face down like this. That means the 5 pins should face down the cover and put it inside. And as you can see, our battery has fit perfectly the battery slot. We're closing the cover, and simply in order to firm our cover, simply pull down. See, we heard our click sound. And now let's power on our DJI. And yes, our DJI action camera is powered on. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.